Henan Huatai Grain and Oil Machinery Company, guardian of quality from field to table, as a national grain factory and national specialized, refined, unique and innovative little giant enterprise. Huatai specializes in the research and development, manufacturing, installation and one-stop engineering services of deep processing equipment for grain and agricultural sideline products. With 38 years of dedication to the grain deep processing equipment industry, we have built a complete and mature industrial chain for grain processing equipment manufacturing. We provide customers with full industry chain solutions covering grain planting, warehousing and handling, drying and conditioning, intensive rice processing and finished product sales. Raw grain from the field is processed through Huatai's precision equipment production lines and turned into high quality, staple food on families' dining tables. Every grain embodies Huatai's ultimate pursuit of craftsmanship and quality. Strong, intelligent manufacturing capability underpins Huatai's leading position in the industry. We supply complete rice production lines with a daily capacity of 80 to 500 tons. Intelligent equipment ensures high efficiency and stable output, helping customers achieve long-term and steady operation. We also provide complete grain drying equipment with daily processing capacity from 100 tons to 1,500 tons, safeguarding grain drying and storage, and fully supporting national food security. Service-oriented and commitment-driven, Huatai has established a 24/7 service mechanism to fully safeguard customers' production and operation. If you are looking for a reliable supplier of rice processing equipment or have demands for grain warehousing, grain drying and customized complete grain and oil production lines, you are warmly welcome to visit Huatai Group on site. Choose Huatai Group for high-end grain and oil processing equipment.